Helen's Corner. This is the road that is leading to the place they are building the house. This is the airport road. Because I have a airport road is a new road, they are still grading it. They grade the Chago. This is how it is.
Nandewo. Good morning. I was leading to that I can rent airport. Straight. Don't want to come ship. Alright, thank you. Okay, far. Alright. Okay, I didn't say my goes okay that. If I'm posting my phone, okay, can come on your phone. Abby?
Yes, now. I can come on my phone. I'm at the same time checking with you. My husband, I want to quick and I name here. I forgot to dry, yeah. But they might be quick. But not dry, go no. Not dry. If for happy don't if a dry cleaner, car wash, or bronc. Yes, I'm not there because of our kayak. That's a child long road. Oh, yeah, and I'll copy a copy through the road. A man sitting off from the lane. You just know where along we want to hire like in a clear. Right. Nice. Gachachia, no, for you, no, just complete. That's your own. My mother have full time. And I give a Jirini and wire. He shall buy the 10. Negodi in our bandy for no midi ever. A man who dribble can go or me. A mirror driving training. Just I'm driving school because I be young. Okay, I'm driving school. I'm now waggy boy. From 5, you might go in. Shut up, Mama Rogozo. I'm Baraba before. It's not my first job coming. Yeah, from 5 keep quiet. Shall I hear you? Maybe that side put the wrong way. Side Gagas, oh, Dave, I got Ruchi, how will be there before? Or the possible no Garucha before. With all I need no Gichin. Let me tell you one thing about Dave. A man come on, this is state project. A monzo on our this flyover on our gas na market jangba. Nkam federal me. So when they make us finish here project that. So he would like to finish it commission oya. Oh finish your commission oya Zabiana will take the glory. Oh ya ka na ekwu oya obuna bidoro ọrụ ya finish ya. Ya finish ya but oh ya wa ebe a na nwere ebe ọzọ. Ya nini. Na ndewo. Good morning. I can't buy in the airport. Okay, I can't baby. Okay. I'm gonna go to or runway. Runway, I about a yana, Sarah space with Chaya. Or cargo airports. Yeah. I don't ask no international airport. because international airport makwa standard na international. Nya ogaruchakwa ya. Ebo ga-enweta ego ga-eji rụcha ya.
Is it not corruption? The longest bridge arụrụ na China, ego na ka asị eji rụọ ya. Is it not now 2 years na award this second Niger bridge and arụghị ya? Ihe na-egbu Nigeria bụ corruption. Itinye 2 billion naira ebe ọrụ bụ ihe a chọrọ ịrụ.
Maka kwuo n'obere na o nwere ebe tinye flag ebe ka mara na flag. Obere. O nwere ebe tinye flag ebe.
Arụbekwa ihe nwa arụsị. Ụzọ ka dịrị aka.
Akwọbeghị ya akwọbeghị beans.
Akwọbekwa beans akwọ. Aka na sink pillars. Dave gbakwa ba nara anọ eme na aza anara ekwu ire ana. Those no be akọpiri whole land ebe. This land ga-ebu ezigbo ibu. Is a good land for the airport. And them are on the airport and I roll on so.
But last it will favor them. You what I mean?
The development guy be na ebe na.
Nya maka na ekwu last is going to favor them. If you want to ebe sukwa no kudu.
Development guy be for sure but nwere ya ji airport eme ha rọrị and this. Why obute ho in that school college of Mesa na arụ ebe bịa arụ ebe a. Siga Dave ma over nke anje dosi na be ha. Nke ga-efavor ndị mbe nke. Aya nwa rutechere ebe a.
Road abụ wrong way. Ya abụ wrong way ya. Ya abụ wrong way. Nya maka nsi ga ebe ya dere flag this and flag. This is the wrong way. I guess.
Yeah way.
Oh nya wa wrong way ya bi ya.
Ụzọ dị gwara aka. Ọbịa da boom. Shoo. This ihe nepa ga-apụcha.
No, one is compulsory, no ya apụcha. Kindly to take audio capture to your video. Alright, this is the site for the international airport. As you can see, they are digging that side out. I guess that should be the wrong way. I don't really know, but the rain has spoiled this side though. If I try to go there, I don't know what will happen, but let me try and see. Hey, I try to come here. Ihe a na-eme onwekwa ihe ada akwụkwọ m ụgwọ ya o. Ada akwụkwọ m ụgwọ ya. So I wonder what they are doing here. Is it the wrong way that they are building like this or what? Or they are digging out everything that is going to cause erosion in future? What exactly are they digging here? If anybody knows, please comment in the comment section. Oh, you know me, I'm not even good at all these things. All I know is that they are preparing the land. See, it's like a pit. I don't know. Are they going to dig this thing deep? It got to the other side. Ha. Oh, I wonder what they are digging. Let me go. Yeah. This road is not good at all. So, for those of you that want to see how far the international airports have gone, I hope you are satisfied. This is how far it has gone for now. I don't know what they are digging everywhere. Let me go to the other side. I guess this should be the wrong way. I don't know. I guess this should be the wrong way they are preparing. This is it. They are digging. Gradually digging. It's got to across the other side though. But you know, I cannot get there now. I can't get there now. So this is it. Maybe before the completion, everywhere will be set. Alright, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Alright, thank you for watching. Let me go and clean up my car. As I'm going, I'll cover some other places for you guys to see. Okay, this is where they are parking the caterpillar, truck, bulldozer, everything, and that's the house they built for the airport work. Mansion. The other side, we just video should be the one way. Why this one? Mansion. So many people farm rice from this place. You guys know that Abakaliki does rice production. That's one of their natural resource. They have rice, they have